Hey everyone, I wanted to come on here and share this with you. I just got these awesome wood ornaments from OPULANE. I think I'm pronouncing that right. These are so cool. They are perfect little discs of wood with a pre-drilled hole here so that you can make them into ornaments. And I was just really taken aback by how many rings there are on these. They are so cool. They're sanded nice and flat, and you can see it still has that tree bark edge on there, which is really nice. They're each individually unique. So I mean, this is actual real wood. I'm super excited to use these for my class and let the kids color on them. Ooh, look at that one, so pretty. And use them for ornaments. You could use these for Christmas ornaments. You can use them for anything, really. This nice wood texture is just gorgeous for any time of the year, really. It doesn't have to be Christmas or the holidays. So let's check it out.